In the heart of the Victorian era, London was a city plagued by filth and disease, its streets teeming with the stench of refuse and sewage. The year was 1858, and the city was on the brink of a crisis that would change its very essence. The crisis began with the Great Stink, a summer of unbearable odor emanating from the Thames. The city's sanitation systems, antiquated and ill-equipped, were no match for the growing population and the waste it produced. Enter Sir Joseph Bazalgette, a civil engineer with a vision. Recognizing the urgency of the situation, he proposed a plan to construct a comprehensive sewer system for London. His plan was met with skepticism and resistance, as the cost was astronomical and the city was already strained financially. Undeterred, Bazalgette persisted. He argued that the health and well-being of London's inhabitants depended on it. His convincing words, backed by data and studies, eventually won over the city's decision-makers. The construction of the new sewer system was a monumental task. Thousands of workers labored day and night, digging trenches and laying pipes beneath the city's streets. The project was a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Finally, in 1865, the new sewer system was completed. The transformation was immediate and profound. The stench that had once filled the air was replaced with the scent of freshness. The city was cleaner, healthier, and more livable. The story of the Great London Sewer Reformation serves as a reminder of the power of persistence and the importance of investing in the infrastructure of our cities. It is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the transformative power of innovation and hard work.